The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. It covers an area of about 5.5 million square kilometers, 2.1 million square miles, and is mostly forested in Brazil, which is about 60%, and the rest in Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname. The Amazon is home to about 10% of all animal species, including jaguars, sloths, anacondas, macaws, piranhas, and poison dart frogs, and more than 40,000 plant species. There are millions of species of insects. Amazon River, the second longest river in the world, and the river flows through the forest. It carries more water than any other river. It has thousands of tributaries. The Amazon experiences high temperatures and heavy rainfall throughout the year. The Amazon has a humid tropical climate. The Amazon produces about 20% of the world's oxygen and absorbs large amounts of carbon dioxide. Amazon plays an important role in stabilizing the Earth's climate and maintaining global weather patterns. But due to agriculture, cattle ranching, and infrastructure development, forests are being damaged. Both natural and human-induced fires are destroying forests. The Amazon is home to hundreds of indigenous communities, many of whom have lived permanently in the forest for thousands of years. Communities have deep cultural and spiritual connections with forests. Global and local initiatives are working to protect the Amazon, including sustainable farming practices and reforestation projects, establishing protected areas.